To download your account statements from Santander, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate the online banking platform to access your financial documents. Step 1. Log into online banking. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password string checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to account statements. Once logged in, look for the Accounts with Statements section in the main menu. Click on this option to view your account details and available statements. Step 3. Select the account. If you have multiple accounts, choose the specific account for which you want to download the statement. This will ensure you access the correct documents. Step 4. Choose the statement period. Select the date range or specific month for the statement you wish to download. This will help you find the exact statement you need. Step 5. Download the statement. After selecting the desired statement, look for a Download or Export button. Click it to save the statement to your device in your preferred format such as PDF or CSV. Now you can easily access your account statements wherever you need them.